Today we have to discuss about the topic to differentiate that what lateral parental cyst, gingival cyst of adult and glandular odontogenic cyst, because these three cysts are clinically similar, so we have to differentiate for better understanding manner. In lateral parental cyst, it is arised from dental lamina, Hardwick epithelial root sheath and reduced enamel epithelium. How the Hardwick epithelial root sheath get developed into cyst? Because the Hardwick epithelial root sheath is nothing but it is a root forming sheath. These sheath get segmented. Some segment get disappear and replaced by the symptom like materials. But in this case, some segment the Hardwick epithelial root sheath segment can't disappear, result formation of cyst. In gingival cyst of adult, it is origin is dental lamina. That means dental lamina cyst of newborn get persistent in adult. As a result, gingival cyst of adult get formed. Sometimes traumatic implantation. In glandular odontogenic cyst is due to the dental lamina. Dental lamina is nothing but it is above the tooth bud. As a result, leads to formation of a cyst. The location of the cyst is it is located in the lateral part of the root. That means lateral part of the root here. But in gingival cyst of adult, it is located in the lateral part of the root, but in the soft tissue. That means gingiva. In glandular odontogenic cyst, it is located in the lateral part of the root. In radiography of lateral parental cyst, there is a translucent thin sclerotic border will be seen, or sometimes that is a multilocular will be seen. It is called as botryoid cyst. In gingival cyst of adult, so it is a soft tissue lesion, so not visible in the radiograph. May consider it is a unicystic or polycystic, but not visible in the radiograph because it is a soft tissue lesion, so no bone involvement. In glandular odontogenic cyst, in radiograph it is similar to the lateral parental cyst like this. Histologically, the lateral periodontal cyst is made up of thin and non-keratinized stratified lining epithelium, but the gingival cyst of adult is made up of thin stratified squamous lining epithelium, and the glandular odontogenic cyst, the lining epithelium is made up of non-keratinized stratified epithelium. The histologically, the lateral periodontal cyst and the gingival cyst of adults are similar. The focal thickening of or plaque found in the lining. What is focal thickening? The focal thickening is nothing but the lining epithelium consisting of several thickening in the lining epithelium. It is also seen in the lateral parental cyst and also seen in the gingival cyst of adult, but not seen in the glandular odontogenic cyst. Instead of it contain mucus secreting cells and microcyst. They replaced by that focal thickening. And glycogen rich clear cells also seen in the lining epithelium and connective tissue. Here also glycogen rich clear cells also seen in the lining epithelium and glycogen rich clear cells, but in this glandular odontogenic cyst not seen. Glycogen rich clear cells are not seen. And increased risk of recurrence is high in the botryoid cyst, that is lateral parental cyst variety. At the same time, lesions do not occur in the gingival cyst of adult. And increased risk of recurrence in glandular odontogenic cyst. That means recurrence means nothing but it is happened again. Thank you.